Today, we are with two drones and two very different vibes. We've got the DJI Flip. Sleek, feature-packed, and perfect for creators who want their drone to do most of the heavy lifting. On the other, there's the DJI Neo, a $200 drone so simple and affordable that it almost feels like cheating. But don't let the price fool you. There's some real tech packed into this little guy. Today, we're breaking it all down: design, performance, and the all-important camera. So let's dive in, because one of these drones might just be your next favorite gadget. Let's talk about design and build quality. When you're spending money on tech, it better feel like it's worth it. Starting with the DJI Flip, this thing is basically the Ferrari of compact drones. It's sleek, foldable, and screams premium. The foldable full-coverage propeller guard isn't just for show. It's made from carbon fiber, which is lightweight yet sturdy enough to survive a rookie's rough landings. At under 249 grams, the Flip is so light it feels like holding an apple. And because it's this compact, you can toss it in your bag without worrying about it taking up too much space. Now, the DJI Neo is like the scrappy underdog. It's ultra lightweight at just 135 grams, which is incredible for a $200 drone. But let's not kid ourselves. The all-plastic construction feels, well, very $200-ish. The propeller guard? Thin. Like, don't squeeze too hard or you'll snap it thin. Sure, DJI sells replacements for cheap, but you get what you pay for. Both drones have their quirks. The Flip's compact size is fantastic for portability, but unfolds into a surprisingly robust drone. Meanwhile, the Neo has a lens cap that barely stays on. Definitely not something you'd want to lose in the field. Flight performance is where the DJI Flip and DJI Neo reveal their true personalities. The Flip feels like a well-rounded performer. It's stable, reliable, and built for endurance, boasting an impressive 31-minute maximum flight time. That means plenty of time to experiment with shots, scout for creative angles, and enjoy a stress-free flying experience. It's slightly heavier than the Neo, and the innovative propeller guard provides better stability even in moderate wind conditions. In contrast, the Neo is more of a sprinter. With a maximum flight time of just 15 minutes, you'll find yourself landing and swapping batteries more often. While fine for quick shots or fun flights, it can feel limiting for longer sessions. And while it's fast, hitting speeds of up to 36 miles per hour in sport mode with a controller, the Neo struggles with wind. Its lightweight build wobbles noticeably in breezy conditions, making it less reliable for stable footage. For most people, the camera is what really matters when choosing a drone. The Flip and Neo take very different approaches here. The Flip is designed to deliver pro-level features in a compact form factor. It boasts a 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing 48-megapixel photos and recording 4K HDR video at 60 FPS. With its f1.7 aperture and dual native ISO fusion, it produces exceptional results in a variety of lighting conditions, from bright sunny days to dimly lit environments. Whether capturing a stunning sunset or exploring shadowy landscapes, the Flip ensures vibrant and detailed imagery. For content creators, the Flip offers advanced features like a 10-bit D-Log M color mode, enabling up to 1 billion colors for post-production flexibility. Additionally, AI subject tracking keeps your footage perfectly framed, while slow-motion recording at 4K 100 FPS and a 4x zoom deliver cinematic visuals effortlessly. The Neo is the budget-friendly option, and while it's surprisingly capable for its price, it has its limits. Its 1x2-inch sensor shoots 4K video, but defaults to 1080p at 30 FPS unless you adjust the settings. With an f2.8 aperture and a 117.6-degree field of view, it's decent for wide shots, but lacks the Flip's dynamic range and detail. Low light performance introduces noticeable grain and color inaccuracy. Where the Neo shines is in simplicity. Quick shot modes like Droney and Helix make it easy to grab dynamic clips without much effort, perfect for beginners or casual users. The Flip is a polished, user-friendly device that makes flying a drone feel effortless. You can launch it straight from your palm with a simple gesture, no remote required. Voice commands like "Hey Fly" add another layer of convenience. The DJI Fly app is intuitive, and AI-powered modes like Master Shots and Focus Track handle complex shots automatically. The Neo is easy to get started with, but it lacks the same level of polish. The app works fine for basic flying, but touch controls have a slight lag that can be frustrating. However, pairing it with the optional RC-N3 controller unlocks faster speeds and tighter controls, making it a more enjoyable experience. The Flip is like an overprotective parent. Its 3D infrared sensing system enables automatic braking and collision avoidance, perfect for navigating tight spaces or tricky low-light environments. And when the battery gets low, it automatically returns to its takeoff point. These features make it beginner-friendly and confidence-inspiring. The Neo, by comparison, is like the adventurous sibling. Safety features are basic, with only 2 downward infrared sensors to help with takeoff and landing. There's no obstacle detection, so it's up to you to steer clear of trees and walls. The auto return feature works well, but lacks the Flip's finesse. The DJI Flip and DJI Neo cater to different audiences, reflected clearly in their price points. Starting at under $1,000, the DJI Flip offers professional-level features, premium build quality, and cutting-edge safety systems. This makes it a solid investment for serious creators aiming to elevate their craft. In contrast, the DJI Neo is priced at an accessible $200, targeting beginners or casual users. While it remains affordable, optional add-ons such as extra batteries $40 each and the RC-N3 controller $130 can increase the total cost to around $400. So, who should buy the DJI Flip, and who's better off with the DJI Neo? The DJI Flip is for creators who need pro-level quality. With its advanced camera, intelligent shooting modes, and robust safety features, it's perfect for professionals or enthusiasts. The Flip isn't just a drone, it's an investment in your creative toolkit. The DJI Neo is the ultimate entry-level drone. It's affordable, fun, and easy to use, making it perfect for beginners or casual users who want to dabble in drone flying without breaking the bank. So, whether you're crafting cinematic shots or just having fun in your backyard, one of these drones has your name on it. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more drone breakdowns.